Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan massive. Welcome back to our channel. I don't know say your girl Whitney.
You don't know say your boy Jesse.
Yes guys, and today we're gonna be doing the Touch My Body challenge. So pretty much the challenge is one of us is gonna be wearing a blindfold, and the other person is going to use a single finger and touch their bodies.
Touch part of the body, and she has to figure out.
I gotta guess, or he gotta guess what it is, pretty much. So we just gonna jump right into it.
Let's get started.
I'll go first since I'm already sitting down. I can go first.
Make sure. These ones we're using right here. Using blindfold. Alright.
Go ahead.
Go the other way. Yeah, go like that. Alright.
It's on here. I can't see nothing.
Alright, good. Can you see nothing?
Nope. It's freaking black.
Alright, cool. Alright, one finger here. I don't know, it might be harder because she got nails on. We'll see.
What the heck?
What's that?
First of all,
What
it can't be.
are you
I can't
touching?
be touching your clothes. It gotta be your skin. Because,
It is, it's skin.
Okay,
What
do it again.
are you touching?
I didn't feel it. Your tongue. It's your tongue. It's wet.
Got it.
It's wet and soft. It's your tongue.
Tongue. You got it.
One finger.
That's better. Alright, let's do it.
One finger.
Okay. That's inside your nose.
I was breathing. That's why you knew I was breathing. I should have stopped breathing. That
Yeah, oh, just a tiny little hole.
You funny.
Alright.
Alright.
Your turn.
Okay.
I will take your finger. Matter of fact, you know what to do with your finger? You want to touch something with it.
Okay, what is it?
Alright.
What the heck is that? Do it again. What is that? Do it again. That's your finger.
Nope.
What is it?
One more try.
The heck? That's not your finger?
Mm-mm.
What is it? Come on.
You just cheated.
No, I didn't. That's your knee?
Nope.
What is it?
That's my toe.
What?
Wrong.
Your freaking toe.
One.
Wow. Okay, you playing dirty. We can do that.
Yeah, I'm playing dirty.
Alright.
Alright. Wrong way.
It's not. Is it?
Let's do this.
Alright.
I'm the master of touches. That's your stomach.
No, it's not.
Look again. Chest?
No. Last guess. Come on.
Alright, one more time. That's your side.
Yeah.
Okay.
It wasn't really my side though. It was the back part right here.
Oh,
It's like the fat part.
Alright.
Alright.
Your turn.
Alright. I really cannot see, babe.
Can't
You
see
putting it
nothing.
over my nose? What that about to do?
I don't know.
Here.
Alrighty.
You may
Let's
take my
see
finger.
if she can figure this one out.
You.
What's wrong with you? wrong with y'all?
Ew! That's your butt! That's your freaking butt.
How you know?
Your hairy ass butt. That's your butt. I'm gonna have to bleach my hands.
Oh yeah, it's pre-shower.
Whatever. Right.
Alrighty.
Ready?
Yep. Your face. No, wait. No, that's wet though.
My face? Really?
Because it's all the way up here. Somebody's got to be your face.
My face? You can't. That no, you
I
wrong.
thought it was your tongue for a minute. It was wet. So I'm put
What?
armpit.
Yeah. You said on point. What the heck is that? You said my face. Oh
One
my
for me.
god.
No, I thought it was your tongue at first. I was like, no, shit, it's number 4.
What the fuck? What is that? It feel like hair and it feel wet. Like what is wet and hairy? Come on.
What is it, baby? Tell me what it is.
Oh no. Do it again, one more time. I'm not, I promise, okay? Your nose? Is it your nose?
No.
What?
Alright, final try. You ready?
Yeah, I can't see, babe, I promise. Your belly button?
Good. Boo.
How you know?
Because I like boobs.
That was too fast. Like you were seeing? Could you see?
No, I can't see it all. I got my eyes closed.
Ugh.
Plus that.
Okay. Alright. Finger.
That's the next one.
Yeah. That's your finger. That's your hand.
Here's my hand.
Yeah.
You sure?
Am I right or what?
It's my hand.
I do it. It felt like a hand.
Now,
It felt like a hand. Alright.
let's see what I touch next.
Finger.
That's a wet finger.
No, it's not. It's not wet at all. Come on. Try again. Your finger's sweaty. Talk about something, a wet finger. What is it? What
One
is
more
it?
time. One more time. Come on. That's your hand.
No, it's not.
Wait, that's your feet. That's your feet. Bottom of your feet.
No. No, it's not.
It's not your hand. It's not your feet.
It's my foot, but it's not the bottom of my foot.
Oh, this is your foot. So I still got it.
You didn't get it. You have to say what part.
It's your foot.
What part of my foot?
Your heel.
Yeah. You be cheating. I think you see it through this thing. I really think you can see. Alright. Game on.
We'll see about that.
Alright.
Ready?
Finger. That's your pubes.
She got it.
mean, I've been around it long enough to know what it feel like. You funny for that one. Funny, honey. All right. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Hold on. Because I don't want to.
Again. In the stomach?
Yeah.
Correct!
Yeah. Oh my God. Can you see?
No, I'm a beast. Champ. Well, I don't know what am I like 6-0?
I don't know.
Please number 7.
All right.
All right. Are you ready for this next one?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. We're gonna make this just a little interesting. All right.
What? What the heck? Babe, is that your butt? Is that your butt? Cause if it's your butt, we about to fight. Is that your butt? Babe, what is that?
You tell me.
Is that's your butt? I swear, if that's your butt, we about to fight. Babe, that's your butt. Ugh.
No, it's not.
What is it?
One more try.
It better not be your butt, cause I'm gonna punch you.
It's not.
What the? Why is it wet? What the heck is that, babe? For real, what is it?
You see? You see?
Is that
No,
is that
you got
your
it wrong.
elbow?
No.
What is it?
No.
You wet it up on purpose, didn't you?
Yep.
I'm like, why does that feel like your freaking butt? I was really about to punch you.
Y'all hear this abuse?
I don't care. Don't be putting my finger in no butt.
I already did. That was super soft. I can't even have to feel it.
Okay.
Is it time?
No.
Really good. I can't really feel it, babe. You're not really feeling it. Your chin.
Try again, motherfucker!
I think I'm gonna get you on this one last time, okay?
Okay. Feel it one more time.
No, you
Take it.
time
Come
up.
on, no. I can feel it.
Last time. I'm for real.
Okay, alright. Your lip?
Ugh! I shouldn't have gave you no more chances. Move.
Beast.
You cheating. You got 3 guesses and no more.
Alright.
We not finna go in no 4th and no
Well,
5th
this-
and no
This
6th.
is the last one here. This is the last one
Okay.
here. You ready
Uh-huh.
for the last one.
Finger.
Alright. So, last one. Alrighty.
Babe, is them your balls? What the heck? That's your balls?
Yep.
What?
Got him.
You don't think I know what your balls feel like? Wow.
What they feel like?
Freaking how they feel. What you mean?
Alright.
I know what they feel like. Alright. Hold on. Nothing.
You doing some extra, ain't you?
No. Come on. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Okay, hold on. Then again.
Second try. You only got 3.
That's your mouth.
No, it's not. It's not my mouth. Last guess. Come on.
Okay. Whatever.
Last guess.
Last guess. Is it your neck?
No. Wrong.
What was it?
It was right here.
Oh, you funny.
But I waited up so it so you wouldn't know. I waited up. I had to trick you. I can't let you win.
No.
You got all them right.
That was funny.
It was.
All right.
Alright people. Thank you for watching the video.
Y'all
You
know.
So that was the Touch My Body challenge, and that was pretty fun. I'm gonna have to scrub my finger with like some bleach or some disinfectant or something, cause I touched your butt and you ain't took no shower.
Right here.
He nasty. I'm like finna scoring his finger now. It's finna just be like this the whole time. I ain't gonna touch nothing till I wash it.
Big head together.
I don't care. That's nasty. But
Way. Anyways, guys, we appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, hit that notification button so you can see every time we upload.
till
Till next time.